If you're seeing the ChatGPT too many requests error, don't worry. This is usually a rate limit issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed quickly without any technical skills. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix ChatGPT too many requests step by step, so you can get back to chatting as fast as possible. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, the most common fix is to wait and retry. This error is often a 429 rate limit message, which simply means ChatGPT has received too many requests in a short period of time. The best thing you can do is pause for about 30 to 60 seconds, then try your message again. In many cases, that alone will solve the issue. If you've been sending a lot of prompts quickly, the system may just need a short break before it allows you to continue. Next, stop sending multiple prompts too quickly. If you keep submitting message after message in a short time, ChatGPT may temporarily block new requests. Instead of sending several short messages one after another, try combining everything into one clear prompt. This helps reduce the chance of triggering the error again. Keeping your prompts organized and spaced out is one of the easiest ways to avoid repeated request limits. If waiting doesn't fix it, the next step is to refresh or relog in. Start by refreshing the ChatGPT page in your browser. If the error is still showing, log out of your ChatGPT account completely, then sign back in again. This can clear temporary session issues and reconnect you properly to the service. Sometimes a simple refresh or new login session is all it takes to restore normal access. If you still see the error, try changing your network or device. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or try another Wi-Fi network if you have one available. You can also open ChatGPT in a different browser, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In some cases, these request limits may be related to your IP address or your current browser session, so changing your network or device can bypass the issue. Another helpful tip is to close extra tabs or devices that may be using ChatGPT at the same time. If you're logged in on multiple devices and sending requests from each one, that could increase the number of total requests and trigger the limit faster. Try using one device at a time until the error goes away. If the problem continues, wait a little longer before trying again. Sometimes the limit resets after a short cooldown period, but in heavier usage times, it may take a bit more time. The key is not to keep spamming the page, because that can make the issue last longer. A short break, a fresh login, or a network change usually solves it. So to quickly recap, first, wait 30 to 60 seconds and retry. Second, avoid sending too many prompts too fast. Third, refresh the page or log out and log back in. And fourth, switch your network or device if needed. These are the most effective ways to fix the ChatGPT too many requests error. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also help you with more ChatGPT error fixes in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.